So one thing that isn't really talked about in industry is after having a baby, the amount of hair you tend to lose. Obviously, we all think it's quite normal to lose like our hair on our heads and everything else, which is, you know, happens to us all. But I found after having my little one that probably week sort of 10, I was putting my mascara on as I normally do, and just noticed I had loads and loads of patches where I had no eyelashes left. They weren't even little lashes, there was just nothing there. So I had loads of little gaps, and it made wearing mascara look really bad. So obviously I just stopped. So I decided to invest in a serum, popped it along my lash line, and my lashes started to go back sort of around by week sort of 20. It did take quite a while for it to kind of happen, because you've got your lash growth cycle there. But I did find that sort of after about week 20, my lashes have grown back in, and now they're literally back, and I'm on about week 24 now. So it is something that is not really talked about, and I did discuss it with one of my clients who had a baby pretty similar time to me, and hers were exactly the same, and we both had boys. So I'm not sure if it's maybe a boy thing. I never noticed it before when I had my little girl 5 years ago. So it is something that, you know, people need to be aware of, can happen, and it's completely normal. But yeah, it is a little bit of a worry when you go to put your makeup on and realise you've got no eyelashes left.